In this video, we're going to check out the Chief from the Get Smart TV series from Sideshow Toys. Let's get started. Roll the intro.
Collect, inspire, and create.
I picked up this Sideshow Get Smart the Chief action figure at a thrift store. There was also a Maxwell Smart figure there, but I really wanted the Chief figure. The box art is very retro. What caught my eye was the Sideshow Toys logo on the box. I own one other Sideshow figure. I really like him. Inside the box, the Chief is set in a tray. He is dressed in the retro style as seen on the Get Smart TV show, along with a few accessories. His head sculpt is very well done. He is played by Edward Platt, and his head was sculpted by Terry Wormser. Out of the box, the Chief is a full 12 inches. His eyes are sculpted kind of weird, looking to the side. He's very well dressed. I really liked his outfit. The pants are well made. They're made in a thin cotton. The pockets are not functional, and the fly has snaps, not Velcro. The jacket is also made of cotton and is very well made. It has 2 snaps and 3 faux buttons. All the pockets are open so you could use them. The tie is red, has a small ring of elastic cord. I really like the style of 1/6 scale ties. The shirt is also cotton, and I really like it. It also has 2 snaps and 5 faux buttons. I'll be using this shirt for his outdoor outfit. It looks really nice. And last, he came with a pair of black socks and black dress shoes. His accessories include a Get Smart figure stand. I rarely use figure stands. He also has his golf shoe phone, a running gag in the Get Smart show. The last accessory was his Cone of Silence apparatus. The Cone of Silence is another running gag of the show. It snaps together over his head, and it has a tube that will connect to the Maxwell Smart figure's Cone of Silence. If you ask me, this is a great start to astronaut helmet. The figure is quite muscular. I'm sure Edward Platt wasn't as muscular. He has the typical Sideshow super articulated body. His backside is marked with Sideshow Toys. Made in China, all rights are reserved. I named him Marvin Crossman. He will be joining my Brass Eagle Adventure team as part of the Veteran Adventurers. I really like stories of family legacies. I dressed him in a pair of digital camo pants and a shirt. I finished his look with a pair of cowboy boots. He looks ready to start his adventures. I gave him this ammo belt. I'm not sure what toy company made this, but I really like it. It has a holster and extra ammo packs that stick on the belt with Velcro. It still needs a knife, but the boots really finish the look. I gave him a Beretta. I was trying to pose him in the Weaver stance, but his left hand is awkward. He holds a rifle well. I really like the M1 Grand, and I think it works well with him. It's going to take some practice getting his arms to pose right, but I really think this M1 is a great fit for his adventure loadout. Thanks for checking out my video. I can't wait to get Marvin out in the field for his adventures. I'll post his full bio on Instagram. Please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. It really helps my channel grow. And don't forget to submit those questions for my 300th video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.